Okay, I just thought I'd do a quick review of the Deluki Bidet toilet seat that I've just installed, purchased from Bunnings. I couldn't find a review online, so I just do one now. So it's quite a nice unit, as you can see, very simple. Two-way control for lady and posterior. Comes with one of the flexible tubes and a T adapter, which probably I would have preferred to be metal, but it does the job. I did have it installed with the plastic at the top of the cistern before, but this was better. I had to buy a flexible tube for the tap to the cistern because I only had a fixed tube before. So very good value. It seems to be quite well made. It's a soft closing seat and lid. So that's an added bonus. Quite heavy duty plastic. Certainly better than the one we had. Just so you know, we have a bit of staining from minerals in our glue, not from anything else. The mechanism is hidden, as you can see, so I'll try to show what happens here without dropping the phone into the toilet, catching it. So if I come forward to put a bit of thing, you'll see that comes the spray, and away you go. And then the lady one's very similar, but more of a gentle spray. Nearly dropped it in the toilet, but there we go. So pretty simple, automagic, does the job. It's a fairly simple installation. The seat has a little bracket that you install first, and then there's a catch so you can easily remove it as well. So that's my review of the Deluki Bidet toilet seat.